These are my classmates sa workshop namin. Hi! Hi guys! Ikaw na lang mag-start.
Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day
80!
Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. Hey guys, welcome to...
I finally found a study table for my room at IKEA.
Ang batang tuwan-tuwa, nakabili ng bagong furniture.
You're stuck in my head, stuck in my heart, stuck in my body. I wanna go, get out of here, I'm sick of the party. I'd run away with you. Now this is the part you've gotta say.
It is 7:39 p.m. and now we're gonna clean my room. And we brought in the furniture we got earlier. Hi guys, it is 10:58 p.m. and we just finished revamping my room. Well, it's not 100% done, but this is how it turned out. So basically my room before is very vintage, so now I'm going for that modern. So here's an overview of my room. I'm so tired, but I'm so happy because my room turned out exactly how I want it to be. But then again, I'm not yet done. I need to buy some more accessories for my room and some plants and all that stuff. And also this part, I'm planning to put up Polaroid pictures, so I think that will look cute. I know this part is so plain, so we're gonna put up these. I'm just so happy that I found this study table and also this chair. It's so cute. This is so cute. And I have my dresser over there, and this pad I got it earlier. I'm planning to hang it up. So yeah, this pad is so cute. Then here, super messy. I'm gonna spray paint these white, and then I'm gonna get another one for this part. And I'm not exactly sure about this thing. Like, I want it to be white, so I might get a new one that's white. I don't know. But then this is like my vanity area. So yeah, I also need to get a new mirror. I don't know if I like this one, pa. I also want to apologize for skipping a lot of days for Vlogmas. Say hi!
Hi! Merry Christmas!
Hey guys, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. 4 minutes before Christmas. We're celebrating Christmas here in our rest house in Anilao, Batangas. I'm with my cousins and my sister and my other cousin, and my Japanese cousin.